What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Sarap Life. So, Las Vegas, synonymous with gambling, drinking, and clubbing. Three things that I don't really do. So if you're not much of a gambler or a clubbing type person, there are tons of things to do in Las Vegas. For me, I like eating. I also want to check out the car scene, so I hit up my boy Roy. You might know him from his famous Nissan Skyline Hakusuka. We hosted a little car meet at Samurai Motor. Here are the cars that showed up. Let's go! Thanks to all the people who showed up. It's awesome meeting you. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.